Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. R. Bhuvaneswari, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukottai. Let's now start the topic Hadoop Distributed File System. The Hadoop distributed file system that manages large amounts of data. Data is stored across a network. All the complications of a network come in. This is where Hadoop comes in. It provides one of the most reliable file systems. Hadoop distributed file system is a unique design that provides storage for extremely large files with a streaming data access pattern, and it runs on commodity hardware. It is designed to handle big data, and it's built to overcome challenges that traditional databases face. Hadoop distributed file system is fault tolerant and can run on commodity hardware. Elaborate the terms extremely large files, the data in range of petabyte. Streaming data access pattern. Hadoop distributed file system is designed on principle of write once and read many times. Once data is written, large portions of data set can be processed any number times. Commodity hardware that is inexpensive and easily available in the markets. HDFS can run low cost hardware. This is one of feature which is specially distinguishes Hadoop distributed file system from the other file system. Nodes, master slave nodes typically forms the Hadoop distributed file system cluster. The name node manages all slave nodes and assigns work to them. It executes file system namespace operations like opening, closing, renaming files and directories. It should be deployed on reliable hardware which has a high configuration, not on commodity hardware. The name node, the core of Hadoop distributed file system which manages the file system namespace client access permissions. The data node, worker node that stores the files blocks and manages their names and locations. Actual worker nodes who do the actual work like reading, writing, processing, etc. They also perform creation, deletion and replication upon instruction from the master. They can be deployed on commodity hardware. HDFS daemons. Daemons are the processing running in background. Name nodes run on the master node, store metadata. The metadata means data about data like file path, the number of blocks, block loads, store, etc. Require high amount of RAM. Store metadata in RAM for fast retrieval. To reduce seek time, for the example, through a persistent copy of it is kept on disk. Data nodes run on slave nodes, require high memory as data is actually stored here. Data storage in Hadoop distributed file system. Now let's see how the data is stored in distributed manner in the figure. Let's assume that 100 terabyte file is inserted, then master node. Master node means name node. Will first divide the file into blocks of 10 terabyte. Default size is 128 megabyte in Hadoop 2x and above. Very large files for the Hadoop distributed file system is designed for files that hundreds of megabytes or gigabytes in size. Then these blocks are stored across different data nodes. Data nodes is a slave node. Replicate the blocking among themselves and the information of what blocks they contain is sent to the master. The master node has the record of everything. It knows the location and info of each and every single data nodes and the blocks they contain. Nothing is done without the permission of master node. The features of Hadoop distributed file system. Distributed data storage. Blocks reduce seek times. The data is highly available as the same block is present at multiple data nodes. Even if multiple data nodes are down, we can still do our work, thus making it highly reliable. And then high fault tolerance.